Hey guys, it's Paintballer17 here from Beaver Nation. Today I'm opening my Machine Vapor. So here's what comes with it. You get the Vapor 5-piece barrel kits with 685, 689, 693, and 697 bores on those backs. First up, you got the Vapor here. No wear at all on this. You always want to have a good bore. Eye covers, they pop out. You can see that the eyes are on. It feels okay in the hands, but this little bar, the frame is pretty sharp. My fingers from getting cut. You got the on-off ASA. Put the barrel on now. Pretty decent looking marker. I mean,